house ko nim kakra bi a pepepe won say bones wo no ho na filling station do obi nkyerɛ say han star oil na ye ka ho asɛm nti so fi dwa so na come on sa left before so we drew Asankare fancy main station ho no omo on sa left udru a filling station there we bia or be kyerɛ and I say we free in crying na eba we free akra na eba o tra Asankare barrier na brawonim na be do Asankare station o tra Asankare station na ko nim kakra bi a on sa right I want to start oil omo to say serene environment we say environment in city obi ncho say a half wo be papa enti abusuan so free akra mo include so atwa Asankare ho hia mo dampon mo wadon fa mo ba ne de mo nim dada say mo tra Asankare station ba mo nim kakra bi a mo sa right star oil e wo ho a o ma bie mu a o china promotion no e koso a obia betimi ato afa ho na wetimi ababa be Tony Fu tie ma me say o mo ka say nye driver for nko a nti mo am use heavy duty equipment am hia fuel ene ade nyina no adon me a o china ko ne nyina na biem e de ama mo say mo betimi e de gallons do bia mo hia bia ba mo ba na se bia nyema bi na monte ase a manager wo betimi na ko negotiations bia e be boa mo na boa station nso akonya wo say o mo betimi no adwuma de mo imagine nyina photo me boa na
say Judy kwa
imagine nyina
be Judy by time
mo full there Charlie utwa utwiche anti important na make catch me and driver for nyina say full no utwa eche e wo car no ma onya mfaso because in a taxi taxi driver there ye full there be che na ye pe we do anwumre do say onya sis na watika kra bi da to full ni bi egu so nse wo pesa there ade say wo ba star oil omo na betimi a provide quality fuel na also wetimi e de akọ ni nti menim marketing ne kra no bibi ho abeka
say fan kan say your friend saying you was star card
okay
and so more the star card beba no wo bia wo nya em 550 cedis amount
okay
obenya 100 cedis
oh okay
and more mo kra star card ni na ye be double yina ese munya
okay
obi en so ni star card no bi o person nya star card no so a uba ye be registration amount
okay
ye be found in new contact details na ya registration amount
okay
na what me na wo send me abeka star card
family no
yes
okay
yes. Aside that so ye the special app biba
okay
on say since I say MPA price no floor price net no e ma entimi price na ye the ba no entimi ko below price floor no
okay
but start app no nche bia be launch
okay
ye launch so ye be ba ha
okay
bo hunde ro
okay
on man say nyina wa be faster app no so be ejuma bia no discount be pre wo sa app no so a one kasa no e be one
okay
enti ye bompa ye na estro bia so mo ntimi bombo ni no mo ba ochina
okay
na ye ma ejuma de no nyefe
okay
yeah that's
okay o chance first 300
first
300 from 6 o'clock a.m. Oh, okay. So you will have a kind of
pacho eno me chene to say like expect drivers for no say na okay they should just show up, you know. They should just show up. We are ready among we are ready say person more feeling they should just show up, just pass through.
Okay.
You be more fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You more fine pa.
Tamai
I will back say at the Lamek Blonaika town.
Okay.
Which means the hunter doesn't say it all.
Okay.
So when they come, they will see it.
You'll see it. Yeah. Okay. To me, Jama Mako. Me Jama Mako said, I can never trust her. Na ya adwuma ni nyina e de aboa ochina adwuma de kakaka no so paso I didn't say the actually una no star oil da Asankare nya ira kwan nti but also free akra na but filling station bia bra Asankare station o back akra bia also star oil no bi nchira say omo right hand side of Accra main highway no so to Kumasi and I free drive so hanso na ekwa omo left odro ha obia enchira say ha ne star oil area you better must say
thank you
say when your opportunity pass it through
thank you
so more can be brave and so better trust ha na bibi e koso bia so not me I come yana mo share so e YouTube no so am na pray from YouTube no so na ma for mu de bibi e konti area you must pa I'll pass by I'll pass by then na Once my show kakra.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Yes,
Mr. Masipa.
Okay.
I was saying to you know, Star Oil marketing team penifone no mudin come on we or 95.5 FM. So Jebsia, you're quite in kakra with media. So you're quite on in Africa sports update. How do about Ken Bazooka Transit and some outdoor bobo knowing now deba. Now for do now so to me who the echo. You be fear be free the Ghana Premier League in a stories outdoor and so no ebe nyina Ken Transit or the do na and so eba be so me tea for we e wo dwumede. So yeah, but see 105 FM suni.
And then the Kakraba to also etime a diamamo and Nevi na Jazia Satuaso a diama crudina and so a seated repemote Andy Kofi Amponsa GH and Kantiaso a Driaso etime a room Kakra a one crofo crosso na and somehow do etime Abuabana Yawajuma etime and so a diamamo and Nevi 95.5 FM so na yetime and so Aquanimo Sasona Louis a Japan figure repomo betten and Cass Evans Omanina and so etime a crado a Wahanama yet also etime Bongo and so a Buam yetimako Facebook onomo na yetimi enso anante o akrama bibia so etimi atadi no ede etojere onsamo enso ede emamojumare no so yamfa mate evo se eneya officially Real Madrid boboku no omonso etimi a present eye Marco Kuyara aha ntino ese no o ginam gidi enne jesu number 17 no eno aye Marco Kuyara wano so de obetumi enso adone ede ama Madrid omotim no na ye Portugal wamo emine ma na enye asem ketokra ewo ho na ye informative was a game etimi koso na no ye friendly gamer etodwa between Real LC and Estrella Amadora wamo game no na koso de dendia enya asem ketwa nemomo ye mfam ama etie for sadia ye share game na sia 10 minutes pepepe and odwani enso echiroma player your friend Kevin Castro at the age of 25 and yeah ohana na koma no e kan no so atia so collapse here na oda apramoso walusu aya consciousness and you wonsum wamama na so try ya adokotes outdraw jira no so ere no kokodru hospital na omodu no kokodru hospital no omo yeye ya bema entimi ansori ama nkwamu biema eno egwakwa arowo sama etimi anso atoja enti players ene chese heart attack on samano yana a hard ye pa we at the age of 25 Estrella what I say our player Amadora wamo enso a player Kevin Castro yemfam ameti for the CIA kase watona nanomo nsiadua akwakwa ro sam enso obe feature at the ama Chelsea wamo enso etimi no na bibibia enso etimi ayekama ede amamo nemum ayadia players likely wamo entimi enso emobi no yemfa ema etiefo se wodwani enso achirema obi ti se ebia eye Dan Welbeck kebebo Jordan Henderson ono de na 50-50 Giovanni Quenda what you see ono so de no enye likely se onua beginam ede ama Chelsea wamo club na no enso eye ensebere bia etimi atodwa ide wonsamo enso etoaso ede amama enye asemketo akra ewo ho enenti eno eye according to manager na de ono so etimi de atodwa edide ne de eye 100% ebetimi enso a confirm no eno eye Dan Welbeck wano enso ede ne expect se ohwe training na onua enso aye ede ama Chelsea omo team na kwambia so ene obetumi feature game no enso etimi de ama Chelsea team Emmanuel Emega reformate for so no so na de 50-50 say obeginamo ana say wontimi enso anyinama no e de etimi atoda no Jordan Henderson ebe out as so no so recover from wrist injury and into Jordan Henderson one of some abe outer side game way wontimi enso emobia ano e de atoda Aaron Anselmino one of the center back and no idea no na yetwa so etimi ade ama etiefo na yetumi enso akwa enim no ewo ensafo from the yemfa ama etiefo se enei odwani enso echirema ye free Chelsea wamo enso club no enso ahye no na ye de ne echirema se no UEFA Champions League draw no yemfa ama etiefo se nyame ya duma eno so ebetumi enso atodwa eno nyame ya duma eno beye chese ukwada na bibibia aso etimi ayekama eno ede tiano no na jawada yemfa emetiefo se adia wodwani enso echirema aye Europa no ana fe conference no ne nyina enso etimi atodwa amanioma etimi kamantino conference no be Friday na chese aye Europa no aye Friday na Champions League no aye jawada enti moma yensha no so na bibibia so etimi nyakama eno aye UEFA Champions League no group phase draw no ebetimi enso abaso na bibibia etimi enso ayekama eno area atoja player na obomadin enso ekokoto atena edema boboku a yeframo aye Real Madrid no yemfametie for nya winning goal Carlos SP wonu say oko Wikipedia anano memene ndana ekopem na de chia Sunday yase ene ope aye nipa yebomodin eseche no pa awo aye Wikipedia eno aye Carlos SP oto atena wi ni game ni ma Madrid no ene be bia be ko bi obi afo no phone a obi tini internet so computer so no abahye Carlos SP ono kro no hwan ene de ka kanaman for enso research more our Carlos SP ho a enye asem ketokra anenti eno e de etimi atoja wodwani enso achirema obey popular anano memenda no na enye asem ketokra so mo bomade enso etrupi ye eko online eko search ya Wikipedia no omoye over 53,000 ano aye Carlos SP wano anso adiano no ezasa adiano na shada en support Gianni Infantino ano aye Infantino ano aye ensebribia ano so etimi atojano no na enei amamadem ebisa aye suffering so munya ntiye se FIFA president no onyaya ono so no obedi na bibibia etimi enso aye kama de amana so bo onye ready for aye FIFA president ano aye Alexander suffering UEFA president na de ono so etimi ade atuja yere sabiri bi anso eto so etimi ade amama eno aye de etimi atoja no osi yan kama obi ante se onna anwene ho de biara da one onya interested se ono ebeko for eno ne sa dwumade no anasa sa position no obeje atumo no akwa FIFA aye president eno aye one reason eno echi de tosmi no na ne je so obeje adwuma awo UEFA na ne je sa abrani abrebia no oboda so UEFA oye president adama UEFA for no eno echi no ono so awo chesa life a personal life a also obomade to no buase na o enjoy e ma chesa nioma etimi enso aye kama adema no eno aye ensobrebia atoja it was some also also adjamo and until UEFA president to refer Alexander suffering onye ready so no some about FIFA president and no aye and somebody ebe no some no and so also etimi adjamo awo aye 95.5 FM so enye asem ketakra ho ye to so ema etiefo na ye nkwedimo Luis Enrique Martinez and the basketball die Edema Ferran Torres say someone kasawe mamu misao someone mahum enra the Ferran Torres eye edema PLG omo team no enya fe na mawe bisao se obeboa PLG omo PLG o se enra the Ferran Torres eda na di wabra na omo da form come you know na omo nso ebe mu no maso oba be adwuma abebo 2 goals edema Paris Saint-Germain team no amwatete ka no enso ade ama aye PLG eno abramane Rene etimi enso ade boni enenti no ogiri pass when you player enya fe ena yebebisa so oba adapte enya fe ena yebebisa ento obehu so what I said you kire no akire say yes ampa oye experience aye player onim de oye obetimi enso aboa club no ama omo kanko no etime drum pempenso bia ebekọ na nima no enso aye ensobere bia toja ere won sam to so ade amama eno ade ete no yento so na yenkwere ema etiefo dia Como Frances Fabregas ni team no yemfa mete was agreement etimi enso aye juma eno enso ade ete no eno aye Moise Kean Como omani abre omani Fiorentina anso edin komo player ne de Como fo ne na wie amache somaka sumde atuna sum amache se nei atoni trima ne trima ne de obeso okoko ya juma enema Como wamo anso etim no yemfa emetie for diaka ene se Como club no omo so be ka samde e de akira Fiorentina team no na ache se player no so ama akwanya na player na okoko ya juma e de ama Como wamo team na no e report ni bi ensa ke don sem no anso eto so e de mama enye asem keto creative bi se aye 35 million pounds and on ayesika Como for emergency metia etimi ade ama Fiorentina na player no enso aba be adwuma ade ama mo yemfa emetie voice ade last week mo no and am 30 million ekoye na euros ama chese club no reject here and Fiorentina and at this time around no yemfa emetie voice amo prepare bidder and 45 million euros omo de call ya say anoma correct omo sa ebetimi enso aka aye player na eno enso ade toja yedo some enso to so ade mo na wie ewo 95.5 FM sinti ento so na yenkweni mo emfa ensemene bi emra etiefo ewo aye jimade ni so dia na aye senate free Como omo club no enso ashe ye Romo Aston Villa enra na so mo board da Aston Villa bubuku no what you say omo ti won mo ema ye nane omo mako for bia na odwe ho a wonti ase enna ne be bia na me ye hwe game no obi to on pounds anti football pa I say dey no mo ye football no Brighton and Hove Albion oko Norway akoko ball Tromso so obeshe go ba kokra na den de ma Obabechi ayebubuka from Aston Villa wabon mako 4 enti football no ya na dia na modi ye ewo mo enti no ayade abrachi no Hove Albion echi Aston Villa enom na kanu mako 4 eno de ete no goals no nyina so ba first half ana goals no enso etimi ebaye enenti mama yenhya no so na Aston Villa omomo board da na yemfa metie for wodum se enai player ba ko a supporters no omobuo funu ye pa omo person mo to be man no next game one hwe no be ginama ombe bom agyen akire no ene ye Oli Watkins ni na se bid aba obeso free Aston Villa no free Villa oneni chiro Saudi Arabia Al Hilal ho no person kokko won ball adema mo ono so hia sika wate ase obeso kokko gibi Saudi Arabia money oil money no na eniema etimi enso aye kama adema no na enei yese Oli Watkins one kasa na na say game no one money nyame adoma china eno ye de tene no according to our manager Unai Emery one so adia watimi enso editu jano no enam so ma supporters ne ti o say sa yes na o yes ama just ye lusu sa no ene o so de be wo o ma waje say nei ombe tie gu no so na ma ke kan madwen enso ade akire Oli Watkins eno aye ensemene bia etoja ye don sem no enso eto so ade amamo ewo aye jumade ni so anya asem ketakra na yemfa mate woni so offer ne bae no na aye ne nam around 34 million pounds and bubuku from Villa omo reject ye se omo nje ema Oli Watkins enkonko ye juma ema Al Hilal wamo etim no enti Al Hilal for na enkon samra biem and enti after the game no and ye bisa and some ano so ebo modin ka sa semini na de tuja efa Oli Watkins no de enti a sa game no ono so entimi amebobia eno e de etimi atoja oso no ofre no mobetumi enso afre ne agent ebisa na ne agent kra so respond ye na mom no omo ne betumi explain die ntia ono so no ama mebo ade na se ne striker no ono so ansa ne call eno ede etoja ero sem no edema nam so ama supporters ne die oko social media omo so out to be edema ne Oli Watkins eno ede etoja Bologna wamo team no yemfa ema etiefo se omani abrede dendia enye asem ketokra Atalanta wamo ewo player what I say Bologna for player ye frano Jonathan Rowe yemfa etiefo se Atalanta for kono ho wamo de 35 million euros enso ana call ye nemom no yemfa ema etiefo se Oduwani enso achirema reporter ye gada enso achirema Bologna bobokunom Oma rejete sa sabed no mojitum ema Atalanta eba be fa roa enya de betumi enso aboa omotim na sika no wofom enti Atalanta for omonko omosamra biom oma ready enso etwen omo a eno aye chese ro wono so edia etoja Jonathan Rowe na asam ana ye kanya ye don sam enso etwa so etbi edi amamo 95.5 FM so enya asam gedokra bossa fogu so eseche for a year forward and as a striker one ebejina ni mo na ekokoba se Rodrigo Cascante mo Pedro Gonzalez mo omo prepare bono enso adeba obejina ni mo na no so age bono ade ato atenam Anthony Gordon mo omo fa bono mo de ba omo pede obepia bono na ebeto no mo ono so ebebo bono ato atenam up to now basafo omo enyanyae ene Oduwani enso achirema Alvarez yane die enya de ebedin edama FC Barcelona wamo team ne somonsa ebetimi enso akana eno ede etoja Lautaro Martinez die no ono so ebuo bi a Inter Milan for de beto no so no ebedin de ama FC Barcelona wamo team no muguso away options player omekoko fano no so abeboa FC Barca omo club no ma nioma etimi enso ayekama ede amoma no ede etoja edo sabrebim enso etwaso ede amamo ene awie awo jumade so na ekoko Barca for se omo de sa na omo san kan player bia dia ene na ade ndia ya na ye what ya say to the bi omo isu Rafinha no so ejina ho etimi aye juma no ede amamo as force number 9 eno ede etoja to the so Anthony Gordon and omo betimi enso rely ewo Anthony Gordon so mo say ebi ono so betimi gina ni mo etimi ede amamo na nioma etimi enso atadi no ede etoja na Barcelona omo plan B omo next optional eno aye Egyptian striker Hamza Abdul Karim wano and I say aye Boboka from Barca omo so ehwe se ekokoba so mu road transfer market ni mo na omo try no man striker and yeah Hamza Abdul Karim ono so no ana ne omehwe se ebia obetimi enso aginomo ade ama FC Barcelona as plan B na nioma etimi enso ayakama ade ama Barca womotimi na no aye ensem ne bia etoja de wonsamo enso ade mamo enne awie awo 95.5 FM so ono se Mohamed Salah wono so no wabomoden akyere din awo Trabzonspor womo enso ebook no mo omo first Turkish Super League game as ono so abono yemfa emetievo se Mohamed Salah ono so register 2 goals adema Trabzonspor wamo etimi no ama enioma etimi ayakama adema the Egyptian ayakena ano ede etoja yedon sam anso adema enye asam ketokra ho anenti Mo Salah wa register na ho enso Turkish league nima enye asam ketokra na yemfa metievo se ayadia Trabzonspor omane Kasim Pasa and I'm also at the bunny and my baby so etimi ayakama enye asam ketokra nemum no Mo Salah ba no obomadin ebo no homade manioma etimi enso atadi adema abro no so no ebomadin abo bresa ekadena ko na hat-trick nemum no etimi amamusa eno ede etoja wabra boboku from Trabzonspor omane Basasha ho etimi enso at the bunny do won no enso etwaso ede amamo awo 95.5 FM so yentwaso na yentimi enso enkwenimo emfa ema etiefo dia ananu fiada South Africa go back to your country ano ayo omonso dia no the word anioma enso ekono yemfa ema etiefo ena babetoja sa omwankasa boxer what you say omabonutuo enso ekuno ano aye omoforma boxing aye chesa ogusukra what you say suspension ana owo at July ɛna no suspension no ɛno nso ɛbaa na wieɛ yɛmfa matiefoɔ sɛ yɛfrɛ no Zolani Tete na no fiada ɛna ne fie abɔnten hɔ baabi ɛna yɛse nkurɔfoɔ bi ɛkɔbɔɔ no tuo ɛnso ɛku no ɛwɔ South Africa yɛmfa matiefoɔ yɛkasa yi no nano memenenda ɛna aposifoɔ ɛbɔ mmɔden yɛ ward ɛna ɔmɔkyee baako so ate aseɛ ɔno no wadi 22-year-old ɛnti nano memenenda ɛna ɔmɔkyee no ɛnɛ ɔmɔde ne gyina ɛyɛ court na kyɛ sɛ court atoto n'ano na ɔmo ahodeɛ nti a ɛkɔbaeɛ a ɔmo ɛkɔku obi aberanteɛ a kyɛ sɛ ne mfie wɔ fam sei ɔmo agye ne kra ɛnso ɛde afiri nsɛm a ɛne yɛ Zolani Tete ne deɛ no nso ɛtɔ dwa ɛde wɔ nsɛm no ɛde ɛma mo ɛwɔ dwumadi so na ɛnora na yɛ kwasi ada no yɛmfa ɛmɛtiefo sɛ ɔmo mmiɛnsa nkurɔfoɔ mmiɛnsa ɔmo nso ka ho no yɛabɔ mmɔden nso atumi akye ɔmo akyɛ sɛ nkurɔfoɔ no yɛ maako 4 ɔmo na ɛkɔkɔdi saa bɔne no a yɛmfa mɛtiefo sɛ nei ɔmo boxer no ɔmo abɔmmɔden ɛnso aku no yayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayayaya a ɛbɛ arrange court ɔkyena na ɔmo so no yɛde ma akɔgyina no na yɛbisabisa ɔmo deɛ nti a ɛkɔkɔbaa yɛ boxer no ɔmo nso ɛtumi agye ne kra ɛde afiri nsɛm no ɛnso ɛdeɛ ɛtɔ dwa na nyɛ boxer no nkoa na ɔbaa bi ka no ho akyɛ sɛ ɔbaa no wadi bɛyɛ 27-year-old na mmom no ɔmo no nso no ɔmo shutu na mmom no ɔno deɛ yɛka sɛ ɔda hospital akyɛ sɛ ɔnyɛ wuyɛ ɛno nti no ɔmo ɛhwɛ no dedende sene ɛbɛyɛ a ɔbɛnya nkwa na nneɛma ɛnso ɛtumi atade nti no yɛbisabisa ɔmo deɛ botaeɛ nti a ɔmo gyina so a ɔmo ɛkɔtutuo ɛnso ɛkɔku ɛyɛ boxer no a ɛno ɛdeɛ ɛtɔ dwa ɛde wɔ nsɛm no ɛnso ɛtoa so ɛde ama mo ɛwɔ 95.5 FM so a ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa kora ɛwɔ hɔ no mo na ɔno sɛ saa boxer no ɔno ɛkura Guinness World Record for the fastest knockout ɛyɛ title fight wate aseɛ wɔne ɛyɛ Siboni so Gonya ɛsɛ inside 11 seconds ɛne 2017 ɛna ɔbɔ mmɔden ɛnɔke ɛyɛ owura fɛ Siboni so Gonya na ɛsɛ 11 seconds ɔde bɔ no patim na akyɛ sɛ onua ɛnso ɛda fam a wɔntumi ɛnso amebɔ ɛyɛ boxing ne biom ɛno ɛdeɛ ɛtɔ gya de wɔn nsɛm no ɛnso ɛtoa so ɛde amamɔ ɛwɔ ɛyɛ dwumadi no so a ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa kora ɛwɔ hɔ ɛne sɛ awerɛwosɛm paa ɛna ɛtumi aba ɛde ama boxer ɛfrɛ no 30 na yɛmfa matiefoɔ sɛ ɛyɛ 34 ɛyɛ fight ɛna no nso ɛkoeɛ ɛwi ne mu maako 29 ɛne nti mɔma yɛnhyɛ no nso na ɛnneɛma ɛntumi ɛnso ɛnta din a ɛno ɛnsɛm no bi a ɛtɔ gya ɛde wɔn nsɛm no ɛnso ɛtoa so ɛtumi ɛde ama mo 95.5 FM so a ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa kora ɛwɔ hɔ ɛne nti ɛno ɛdeɛ tiɛ no na mɔma yɛnhyɛ no nso na nneɛma ɛntumi ɛnso ɛnta de South Africa ho ankasa no crime rate no ɛkɔ soro yie pa ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa kora no ɛdeɛ ɛtumi atɔ gya de wɔn nsɛm no ɛnso ɛde wɔn na ɛne according to statistics no a ɛkɔva from January between January and after March this year no nipa maako 58 ɛna yɛkum ɔmo ɛnso South Africa ɛno ɛdeɛ ɛtumi ato gya de wɔ nsɛm no ɛnso ɛtoa so a crime rate no ɛno nso kwa na ɛkɔ soro ɛwɔ South Africa ɔnom ɛno ɛyɛ nsɛm no bi a ɛtumi ato gya no yɛmfa ama etiefoɔ no yɛntumi ɛnso ɛnkɔɛ no mu ɛwɔ ɛyɛ dwumadi no so ɛdeɛ na ɛyɛ sɛ no tiɛ Manchester United foɔ no ɔmo ani abere Miles Lewis Skelly ɔyɛ player ɛde ma Arsenal wɔn club no Manchester United foɔ ani abere Arsenal foɔ no deɛ ɔmo sɛ ɔhwɛ bɔɔl na player ne ɛbɔ no a wɔn nyɛ wɔn agenda so ɔmbɛtɔn ɛyɛ Miles Lewis Skelly so ɔno nso ɛnkɔnkɔ yɛ adwuma ɛma ɛyɛ club bi na yɛmfa matiefoɔ Manchester United foɔ so wɔ vim and vigor sɛ kwan bi ase no ɔmo nsa bɛtumi aka Miles Lewis Skelly na ɔno nso aba abɛyɛ adwuma ɛtumi ɛde ama ɛyɛ Manchester United wɔn timi no na bibi bia so ɛtumi ayɛ kama ɛno ɛdeɛ ɛtɔ gya de wɔn nsɛm no ɛnso ɛtoa so ɛde ama mena mu Arsenalfoɔ no ɛkɔkɔba sɛ sika mu odu ɛnso ɛtumi kɔfa aberanteɛ no ho a ɛne kwan bi ase wɔn bɛgye to mo na Miles Lewis Skelly wɔn nso aba abɛyɛ adwuma ɛtumi ɛde ama ɛyɛ Manchester United wɔn club no no ɛyɛ report ne bi a yɛgada ɛde wɔn nsɛm no ɛnso ɛtoa so ɛde ama mo ɛwɔ ɛyɛ 95.5 FM so a ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa kora ɛnɛ game no yɛmfa matiefoɔ sɛ ɛyɛ former Premier League players wɔn na ɛyɛ coaches wate aseɛ ɛde ma both ɛyɛ clubs Chelsea foɔ ɛde Alonso ba so wate aseɛ na ɛyɛ Fulham ɛde ɛyɛ Alvaro Arbeloa ɛnso abammerɛ bi atwa mo na wɔn nyinaa bɔ de ma Liverpool wɔn sa atoa so ɛkɔbɔ de ma Real Madrid team no ɛna ne wɔn nyinaa sa yɛ coaches ɛno nti no ɔma bɛyɛ adwuma ɔmo nyinaa so ayɛ adwuma under owurɛfɛ Rafa Benitez ɛna ebisa Rafa sɛ ɛnɛ utu ɛyɛ players former players game no ba so nnɛ anwummere na wohwɛ ahwan ɛna wo na ɔgye nipa sɛ daakye bi ebire bi bɛduru ama baako aba bɛyɛ coach ɛna ɔsɛ nyame anim ne kura ni deɛ ne de asɔprise no ɛyɛ owura yɛfrɛ no Alvaro Arbeloa asɔprise no yie paa wana anwene ho da biara da sɛ Alvaro Arbeloa ɛba bɛyɛ coach na mmom Xabi Alonso deɛ ne deɛ ɔhu ne sɛ normal wɔtwa fufuo ama no atɔ nkwan mu ɛsiane sɛ tama no ɔbɔbɔɔ kora mpo no ɛtɔre bi a woama ɔmo instruction sɛ ɔmo nya adeɛ ne sei no Xabi Alonso kɔgyina aprama no so a ɔwɔ deɛ ɔde bɔɔ no bɛyɛ different wate aseɛ na ɛtɔre bi so ɔyɛ saa deɛ no a a pay off wate aseɛ ɛyɛ ɔde resource ɛma kyɛ sɛ ɛma deɛ ɔmo hwehwɛ no ɔmo nsa etimi ɛka ɛma bibi bia nso etimi ɛyɛ kama ɛnya nsɛm ketewa kora nti ɔno ɔnyɛ ne nwanwa sɛ ɛnɛ Xabi Alonso wɔno ɛyɛ coach ɛna ɔse ɛnɛ yɛn kama obia nte sɛ asɛ Xabi Alonso ɛbɛyɛ ahead kakra ɛsan sɛ ɔno wafiri ne comfort zone ɛyɛ Spain no akɔ as a player no ɔsan wɔ coach yɛ ɛwɔ Germany ɛma wɔn so no ɔkɔkɔ deliver wasa yɛ adwuma and owurɛfɛ Pep Guardiola wakɔkyi ne pɛn nti yɛpɛ vast experience a ɔgye nipa sɛ Xabi Alonso ɛnya bi ɛkyɛ Alvaro Arbeloa nti nnɛ ɔmo de ba yɛbɔ so yɛnhwɛ de obɛtumi nso adi nkanimu na bibibia nso atumi ayɛ kama ɛnom deɛ ɛto dwa yɛde wɔn nsɛm de bi nso ɛtoa so atumi ɛde ama mo 95.5 FM so a ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa korɔ nti yɛhwɛ ɛbɛkɔ de ama Alvaro Arbeloa na anaasɛ ɛbɛkɔ ɛde ama Xabi Alonso ɛbrɛ ne nkrabea ana ɛbɛtumi nso akyerɛ yɛde wɔn nsɛm de bi ɛtoa so atumi ɛde ama mo 95.5 FM so Barca game a wɔno ne Athletic Bilbao ɛde bɛbɔ ani no yɛmfa ma etiefoɔ sɛ biribiara ɛnsi a training akɔ so a kyɛ sɛ ne Rodri no ho yɛ den no ɛnyɛ bɛtɛ koraa yɛmfa ma etiefoɔ sɛ Rodrigo Cascante wɔbɛtumi agyinam ɛde ama FC Barcelona wabra wɔn ne ɛyɛ Athletic Bilbao ɛbɛtumi nso adi abɔ ani wabɔ wɔn a complete the first full session of training wɔn mmɔden nso ayɛ ɛde ama Madrid wɔn team no ahoɔden ɛwɔ hɔ papa ɛde ma Rodri ɛne nti no nyame yɛ adom a Hansi Flick wɔayɛ n'adwene sɛ kwan bia so ɔbɛyi so ɛyɛ player no deɛ a ɛneɛ ɔbɛtumi ayi so Rodri na ɔno nso agyina mu ɛde ama ɛyɛ against ɛyɛ Bilbao wɔn team no no ɛyɛ nsɔmiri bia ɛba yɛde wɔn nsɛm nso ɛtoa so ɛtumi ɛde ama mo 95.5 FM so a ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa kora ɛwɔ hɔ na yɛmfa ɛma etiefoɔ sɛ ɔde w'ani nso ɛkyerɛ mu a Luis Enrique Martinez ɛna ɔno nso ɛde ato dwa sɛ yɛnka nkyerɛ PSG players no ɔsɛ ɔno coach no deɛ ɔngye hwee o sɛ players no ɛyɛ ɔmo sɛ ɔmo agye biribi a ɔno as a coach no yɛamfa saa ntete no sɛ ɛnɛ wayɛ adeɛ na ɔma ne tirim ayɛ ne dɛdɛɛdɛw na ɔma kyɛ sɛ tirim dɛ ate asi mu complacency no ɛba saa deɛ wopɛ sɛ ɔyɛ bia wontumi nyɛnyɛ no yie ɛntɔn deɛ ɔka ma obi ate sɛ PSG foɔ no players no hunu sɛ ɔmo agye biribi ɛnti sɛ ɔmo ba bɛma ɔmo tirim ayɛ ɔmo da ɔno as a coach no ɔngye hwee ɔmo mfa saa deɛ no nso ɛnhyɛ ɔmo tirim na ɛntumi nso ɔmo ɔmo na going forward no ɛnneɛma ɛntumi nso ɛnyɛ kama ɛno ɛdeɛ ɛto gya yɛde wɔn nsɛm nso ɛtoa so ɛtumi ɛde ama mo ɛwɔ 95.5 FM so a ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa kora hɔ ɛne nti moma yɛnhyɛ no so na nneɛma ɛntumi nso ɛnyɛ kama ɛsɛ Barcafoɔ ɔmo nso manya the new ɛyɛ Philip Lam wate aseɛ ɛno no ayɛ coach ne nsɛm ɔde to gya ɔsɛ Xavi expert ne bɔɔl a ɔbɔ no yana kyɛ sɛ wei no yɛ 3-1 o wate aseɛ na player ɛna ɔde bɔɔl ɛto ɛyɛ benkum afa so sɛ ɔnyina kyerɛ ɔnom a ɔbɛgyina kyerɛ ɔnom de ama wo ɔnyina kyerɛ ɔnom ama ɔnifa afa so a ɔbɛyɛ ne kamakama ɔnyina mfimfini MP a ɛno nso ɔbɛyɛ ɛde ama wo ɔsɛ what a player what a talent ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa koraa ɛne nti no ɛsɛ no ɔhwɛ ne mu sɛ ɔbɛtumi ayi so ɛyɛ expert yie paa na bibibia so etimi ayɛ kama ɛde ama ayɛ club a yɛfrɛ mo FC Barcelona na bibibia so etimi atadin a ɛnom ɛdeɛ ɛto dwa Diego Armando Maradona wɔn de wɔnya ne baabi kɔ ne mmom no ne nneɛma bi a ɔyisuyɛ anaasɛ ɛne ɔde bɔɔl no ɔkɔ nanso abrɛ ne abrɛ bi amanfoɔ tɔ na ɛtɔ no aboɔden ɛno nso yɛ aborɔfo no ahanom amasa yɛmfa nyɛ hwee so ate aseɛ wɔn sɛ mabɛka kyerɛ mo pɛn sɛ Diego Maradona ne jersey no a wabɔ mmɔden nso ɛhyɛ yɛ 1986 na yɛ sɛ ɔde ɛkeka bɛyɛ wei no bɛyɛ 39 years no 1986 saa jersey bi no a wabɔ mmɔden nso ɛhyɛ yɛ na ɔhwɛ mu a henya bete so atase 30 years aba enti wode wani enso akire ma 40 years rather etimi enso aba na tad no also ano de already aba be ka kire mo say adoma atoso ama we twa ya ton kama ya auction ama ye nyatofo be £7 million obi etimato ano so ede kwakọ checking how far bere pom ano so betimaton na bibia so etima kama 2022 ana sa ne jesi na o hye ede botia England ama tesenei aye hand of God go no o hye no sa jesi ne ye kan wasem no £7.1 million ana obi to ye 2022 ye family for se ball na Diego Maradona ye de boss a game no a de nsa e ball no mo Emma Bono, Ekoto Atinemo, then for me, for no so ye can say, Yaton, what I say, na, dear Tierney, what do I need answer at Chiroma? Game no, young family for, sir, I idea referee, our dinner sa game no more, at 2 item not that time, now of free a year, chess out when Chiroma, Tunisia, or refund Ali bin Nassar, 1986, on a D South final game no, na, and I Adidas, Azteca ball. Na yam family ever say game ne ba na wi no ana ono eche ball no de kofi enti 2023 ana obomodem enso eton ya na 2022 ana oton ball no for 1.74 million pounds na new owner na ball no kokodi ni nsem no yamfa ema etiefo say ono nso no ebomodem ayoshin Emma Nioma etimi enso aye kama ye kase ono so etimi aton ama enioma etimi atadia eno ede etoja ameno kase 2.5 million pounds eno is say no new pricer yabomode enso ato aye bona ye don some edema mo ewo dwumade ni so enti we no anya ha wajaze ye ha no de akaba na ode ni nim be bia ball no kra bana ball kra na no ya to de ma obaya ball no ye nim be bia ball no enso eda so ati azaira woni bebi kura eda wati ase ntino hanu ya na sade man ye nhyeda kipu enso ewa hanu ma eno de eto jade o sebe no enso eto as na o kipu kura mpo na hwan na beto sa ball no ede ama enti ye no ye nhyeda so sade ma no so ewa hanu ma no de eto jade no ma sanka bambam he babam ni bi oya waduro prekopero no oye Messi adwuma wati ase wo de no concrete and outchain sanso and ebia blocks yi na woto utwa bi ne de ka kan nyina be kanfo aye bambam helba bam no etimi enso de amam galam sefo no oye adwumaden what as a carpenter for oye adwumaden ko ade a waduro aye bambam helba bam no oye no nyina betimi enso akọ ama hoto etimi enso aba ede amawa no enso jabesaduro no anenti bomodi anehye no so aye ahotutu zabro no beko honamani sansa hodo no ebeko 90 ma propro no de shampabo ma na eyinka ne nyina enso beko bambam here bambam no odweni ejimo drugstores outdoor pharmacy shops outdoor herbal shops outdoor onsa ebetima kabina so wetima Subona Agro Limited omunra hodo no odwa so ene ntonya diri be bia ton edro biara enkanka New Age Agro Services onomo so ope kenkon na wetimi atobi ope capito ope langard ope ayene ojaba na nyina wetimi ato na enioma etimi enso atadian enom ayete Subona Agro omunu pan ye kanfo etimi diamamo ene malaria dro prekope sisiare dro prekope awotutu dro ana fe also dro ejimo heba mesha bamodiama sankabi oko drugstore pharmacy shops herbal shops outdoor won sabetimi account here na waje oyiso amanioma etimi enso ayekama ede amawa enya asamketo akra bitters of the moment and your boiler bitters no bamodiama bobi oba wati ase we di 18 years eko bema we di 18 years eko oba pemfo nkan wo di akwada tua na no fa no ono so no mbianye yie wo di na boiler bitters occasions outdoor nyina no ye kanfo so onya bi na twetwa bi pe ebetimi enso aboa machesa to wono mo amwatima tibie di amanioma ayekama ede amawa eno ayo boiler bitters no de eto jado wonsamo enso eto aso ede amamo ema orumfi se nei opeka na wato opeka na wahan na wo de a check how far also so no wa mama fo so won so wo krom dia na Abdul Mumin Enterprise alaji important what you say ano ho na ye kanfo etimi enso ede amamo se bomodia to bi amasa na waye adu akrachi sem kakra so na nioma aye kama enso etimi ede ama na ye mreye entino bomodia ne ope moto aye spare parts aye car spare parts ene de ka kan nyina aye alaji aye Mumin what you say Enterprise na share ene ye kanfo etimi enso ede amamo ewo aye jumade so triple bi ho no ma this all shada ko high ho car na kyɛ sɛ wo nso so no wode akɔ na wo nso akɔte w'anim ɛne nti kɔkɔgye wodeɛ na nneɛma ɛntimi nyɛ kama yɛ pick up anaa ɛyɛ ɛnɛ yi ɛyɛ family cars yi bi na wɔpɛ na wɔde akɔ holidays luxury SUV ni bi ɛna nso wɔpɛ na wɔde akɔ akɔdi dwumadeɛ a ne nyinaa no ɛyɛ adeɛ a ɔkɔ Alhaji Mumin enterprise ɔnom a wɔn nsa ɛbɛtumi aka bi na nso wɔatumi nso ɛyɛ su nti no ɔmo ɛka kyerɛ sɛ bra na ne ɔmo ni dwa na biribi nso ɛntumi ɛnyɛ kama nso ɛmfama ɛno nso yɛ yawkwe Kumasi nkran kwantempɔn no so ɛhɔ na abɛhu Alhaji Abdulmumin na wɔatumi ɛne mpanimfoɔ nso adi nkɔmɔ 0244 426 751 0244 426 751 na wɔne Alhaji Abdulmumin enterprise mo nso matumi di nkɔmɔ Kumankuma health and research center adeɛ ne bɔmmɔden Kumankuma mala herbal mixture no malaria bɛdwane jaundice bɛkɔ typhoid fever bɛkɔ Kumankuma herbal capsules ɛno nso no syphilis ne bɛkɔ yɛna nsuo bi taa gugu kooko ne nyinaa bɛkɔ yɛbɛkamfo mo atumi de ama Kumankuma gentleman powder ne ne ointment no ɛbɛboa ma bɛma no aworɔ ama gyɛ sɛ watumi akyɛ yie ɛnso ɔdɔ agoprama so nti bɔmmɔden akɔ drugstore pharmacy shops herbal shops na kɔkɔgye deɛ na nneɛma ɛntumi ɛnyɛ kama ɛmfa wɔn nyinaa ka ho obiri yɛboa launch maka kyerɛ sɛ ɔpɛ baabi adidi na wasum ɛtumi adwo both continental local dishes a ɛyɛ obiri yɛboa launch ɔmo ɛna yɛkamfo ɔmo akakye ɛtumi nso ɛde ama mo ɛmo no types ahodoɔ nyinaa bi wɔ hɔ jollof wakye ne deɛ ɛkaka nyinaa no banku tilapia ne nyinaa de ɛtumi abusu fufuo yi ɛne ebunabuni wate aseɛ light soup no ɛtumi abuso ɛwɔ hɔ nom saa so na ɛyɛ cocktails no mocktails no ɛtumi abuso obiri yɛboa launch bɔmmɔden akɔ na yɛma ɔmɔden servo na nso no fa anigyeɛ ɛbrɛ fie maka kyerɛ sɛ ɔpɛ baabi na nso no wayɛ event ɛwɔ hɔ nom a wedding engagement birthday parties ɛne deɛ ɛka ka ho a space ɛwɔ hɔ ɛde ma wo ɛwɔ obiri yɛboa launcher ɛne yɛ kɔnɔngo akranteɛ bɛsa namba ne yɛ 0243 734 738 ɛne mpanimfoɔ ɛnso ani nkɔmmɔ sɛ tow motors abɔbɔ yare yɛn nkɔnkɔgye pragea no ɛbu so ɛwɔ hɔ nom ɔpɛ original motor parsa ɛbu so ɛwɔ Seto Motors ɛne nti dwa so otuo sereboɔ yɛne Asam fitting shop no ɛne di animhwɛ yɛn number yɛ 0595 908879 na ne Seto Motors mo nso madi nkɔmmɔ Asante Achim Community Bank PLC current account no yɛyɛ bi savings account no bank ho hyehyɛ ahodoɔ nyinaa no yɛyɛ ma no boro so ɛwɔ yɛ akakye hɔ nom ɛne nti bɔmmɔden a ɛyɛ Asante Achim Community Bank PLC ɔmo na ɛbɛtumi nso aboa ama nneɛma ayɛ kama ɛde ama kɔnɔngo algo odmase saa so na dwa so ɔfo ase Roman Hill afɔ nkwanta ayɛdua ase baabi a wobɛhu ɔmɔ na ne mpanimfoɔ nso adi nkɔmɔ a Skynet satellite ɔse decoders nyinaa fie no no ɔpɛ master Star Times DLTV Go TV Strong Combo Canal Plus dish ahodoɔ nyinaa no ne fie Skynet satellite bɔsome no so yɛn recharge wo deɛ ma fa number no na mpo no wɔne no adi nkɔmɔ wasɛnde wo code ne a recharge wɔ ofie hɔ ɛntɛntɛm so adi ama wo 0244 454 029 0244 454 029 ne mpanimfoɔ nso ani nkɔmmɔ no nneɛma ntumi nso ɛnta din awɔ saa kwan no so ɛyɛ forward ever backwards never human block factory wɔn nso ɛka wɔn blocks types ne nyinaa kɔkɔgye pavement tiles no ne nyinaa ebu so ɛwɔ forward ever backwards never human block factory ɛne mpanimfoɔ nso ani nkɔmmɔ na nneɛma ntumi ɛnyɛ kama ɛmfama ɛwɔ saa kwan no so yɛaka deɛ sɛ bogu adeɛ a ɛnɛ yɛne post station no yɛne ɔmode animhwɛ bɔmmɔden afrɛ yɛ number no 0558 319081 na ne forward ever backwards never you Mind Block Factory mpanimfoɔ ɛtumi adi nkɔmmɔ Shade Herbal Center the new best mind capsules no wɔdwa so wonya bi so ɛbɛtumi nso aboa yie pa de bɔ ne azisia no wɔgye mu ɛnkwamoa no wɔ fam ɛnam sayare gonorrhea syphilis no ɔdwo nso na mu hyehyɛw osisi yɛ ɔya prostate problem ne nyinaa no wonya bi so ɛbɛsɔpɔto no ama ahoɔden ɛtumi nso aba mu ɛne nti bɛma gye bi so ate na wagye bi de ama ɔbaa no na kyɛ sɛ mo nyinaa no matumi de abu ahyia na ne gyeɛ no ɛtumi nso aba ɛduro no nyɛ na ɔkɔ drugstore pharmacy shops herbal shops ahodoɔ a wɔn nsa ɛbɛtumi aka bia no the new best mind capsules no de ɛtumi nso ɛyɛ no no ɛne nti no yɛbɛkɔɛ na yɛdi nkɔmmɔ nso ɛwɔ studio bi Andy Kofi Amponsa GH ɛwɔ ha Louis Japan Figo asa Evans nso ɛwɔ ha nti yɛnkɔ studio bi na yɛni nkɔmmɔ yɛkɔ weekend yɛsa aba Figo akɔ aba
Bɛjɔ so bazooka
Evans bɔkɔ deɛ okay weekend na bɛsɛ na action no de bebree Louis bebree Arsenal for kɔ United for soon City for so ayi bibia wɔ hɔ As a bakery, as a
the most important thing is City winning. I know the most important thing. Well, here baby, we flip out with Timbe winning this game now. I think say young ones who man risk and the boys na baso. Na you be now but like City game now asem. Maybe can a City game now asem ye pan. Then once United lose here, which are most of a unipa be believe one. But as well United in recent years, I see how almost start league, you know. So how United pan year in recent years, see how almost start league, you know. Almost start league in a year. Because United they buy into the year league anymore. Even last season, January who United say or perform it, but no nyadi who United some more perform. Even the season before last season, a card then come call relegation. And last season there, Obeka say a normal could ye the momo. Mutimi ABD a year third our leg Munti Manchester United you known for a year that you known for that a home now coach now your friend a year Enzo Maresca a year experiment be what you say or year experiment be which be now try now you have an experiment now or year or you know. We have certain experiment against the big boys in the air league now. Wasombe Shepan we a Bournemouth team without Junior Klupi. So on the Bournemouth to 4 ball for now. But okay, this experiment against the top teams now. One we are at the pressure. Everybody so T if you have City game no more then na call a Spanish La Liga. Madrid, Jose Mourinho, about the first most important game for Madrid. After say obey a coach, Edema a Madrid no. Until no soon be now what any the games no. Now say the game against Espanyol, how we see far a fair against Espanyol on a Saturday. Boy no boy no how no mercy for be now but now here room Ediama a year. Now, me started with the Premiership. Manchester United against Hull City. We a top game, and as we can shut down your top game, cause a team of fleet championship over now come up against a team last a year season leg, you know, or place it third no, and Gabeka say we there and can your top game be and game Manchester United or be fan simple. But as well in recent years, Manchester United and the first game ever play on them no. I am Manchester United struggle kakra. So they are not on China. In recent years, say leg in your ball from August to November, December. When share them who Manchester United team ni. The last season, the same thing happened to Manchester United until some more Saki Rubin and Molly Makwakofa a coach a friend Michael Carrick about generally. I'll bet 10 things around that and normal co ye. So Michael Carrick bad generally or 10 things around that. Obe presi third no. A lot of Manchester United faithfuls say Senka Carrick bantema and Kaebi and ye win Kayehuni a chance ka Carrick bantema ka leg in the corner and Kebeti miaji. And there be a mekase Carrick will buy you obedi third and a lot of a pundits and Manchester United faithfuls ni believe say Senko ba generally and Kedia United be yard no. Oba a general honor no. Over number of games or boy anyhow and now see fair managing the games now. Now the games were form. Teams are not normal competing. A whole lot of the teams no meaning our competition be blame. In Jubeka say Manchester United enya just one competition on do stage. After they are starting new season now. Oba be a lot of competitions. Now a year Saturday Sunday game and a Saturday game or boy against Hull City. Manchester United in recent years are they bakwa affecting Manchester United. They go so affect you on I don't know after getting Carlos Baleba no that problem no be solved. So your problem o manya pan ya e yo mu DM so no e ho pan na de bia Manchester United enya problem pa. Last season, last 2 seasons, last 3 seasons the same problem and Manchester United nya eyo mu DM so more double pivotal roles no e dey Manchester United no e honom and Manchester United enya problem. So last season, last 2 seasons, even last season Manuel Agate Bobby Casemiro boy ɔne Kobe Manu boy na mfa at a point in time Bruno Fernandes any Casemiro boy Bruno Fernandes ne Manuel Ugarte ɔdane ne saa still na nyade ana ɛfa momo until say ɔsesa ne nsa no ana Carrick by ɔbɛsesa ne nsa no ɛkɔbɔ Kobe Manu any Casemiro ɛno ma turning around Edema Manchester United team no but this season Casemiro ni so SA United pair another DMs Edebe count so you United oh you pre-season now the pair of Andre Santos and Tielemans now me when they say a big problem the Amman United going to this season because of more exposure more defense no more and so already the Manchester United defense now so all players are fitter likely say a idea coach Michael Carrick Ebebo Harry Maguire and Abrante friend Lisandro Martinez the butcher but Lisandro Martinez was injured so Abrante friend heaven no Bono alongside Harry Maguire and we all know Harry Maguire the performance even on Saturday now the performance no was lower ratings are now the performance no was Abrante friend heaven no the rate no ever form so all but these two guys as was center back and the back who here pan say ubenya two double pivoter on the man back for the needed shot and understand Michael Carrick because so ball game against Hull City and yeah the because and so more defense the needed shot because Hull City your team there on put pressure on your defense back of you on that day and yes no edit Manchester United Andre Santos and Yoli Tielemans and yeah that day no more performance no was slow but we make my hair Andre Santos or Strasbourg and some oba Chelsea bebo Abrante and typical DM and I say out and right a defensive midfielder no always be honest yeah there be no protecting the deep line playmaker the number 10 na there be over here now or protecting no but I na dey say man be protecting or back for now unya the best out of Andre Santos and so Manchester United team no more yes na Kobe Manu you fit I know bet me starting game no but because of work up anytime or buy no enya dey na Michael Carrick e bet try say obe risk Kobe Manu amana starting game so Yoli Tielemans and Abrante friend Andre Santos on that day and no man ko ye anfa mo na performance no enye but in the United for believe say omako akofa Carlos Baleba de naba so Carlos Baleba eba no dia oba be buo ma na say that problem no oba be see that problem no kwan ama no mako ye di ama Manchester United so me wonder say na Michael Carrick obebo Manchester United ni holding midfield no obebo Carlos Baleba any Abrante friend Yoli Tielemans and obebo Carlos Baleba any Kobe Manu ana so obebo Carlos Baleba any Kobe Manu dia excess automatically or bench Yoli Tielemans and Abrante friend Andre Santos we all know say Yoli Tielemans on your defensive midfielder or your player or corner anymore so born as a defensive midfielder unya the best out of Yoli Tielemans so the next game beyond Bobiano Carlos Baleba be available to future for Manchester United so after this game Omulu about 2-0 no you heard the next game Carlos Baleba about how Manchester United performance no ebesifako because now United only believe we say problem no ma solve Carlos Baleba never be solve that problem ne dia momo and me kind season before season the best started say United be here proper DM or be here proper center back and another left back and Sunday United and we so team no are yet solid but with these materials bad thing say United bet me compete year pa LPL this season and adia ba kwa na mi busa mon say sorry Manchester United team now adia ba kwa and I say over Premiership now in recent years enya dia coaches o moje no coaches o mo English coaches so one monitor Premiership now actually coaches in recent years omo English coaches and over Manchester United omo come up with English coach Michael Carrick inexperienced Michael Carrick make me can say because Manchester United the first adwuma waba besuma wo as a full-time job into inexperienced Michael Carrick obetime the Manchester United win the league now and even the P on this season English Premiership but just 3 English coaches and the coachy Adia Esbridge with Gary O'Neill and Coventry City with Frank Lampard and Manchester United with Michael Carrick. Just 3 English coaches. So English coaches now, because in recent years, I think some of your suspects when it comes to active coaching. In the Nyame one say most of them are done pundits. omo nyina ye pandit as adwuma we na Manchester United on Saturday I think say na potentials ne so betimi bibi but omo entimi and live up to omo potentials omo entimi anwini omo lose by 2-0 and start of the season it bibia happen and akati 37 games to go and or to normal than no normal ni like we say betimi aya they were this year's premiership anymore. Young Manchester City against Bournemouth City. Kofi life no ya wade bo ho a se fili won nsam a sani etie bia no ebenya nsunsu aso e wo mo so etitem Manchester United Sir Alex Ferguson efili wa akwa omokofa David Moyes ne ba ye no the chosen one no enya nsunsu aso Manchester United so I think say United kwantimi ndi omo ho after Sir Alex Ferguson affecting Manchester United team now up till now are still egusidi omunya. Eti Alex Ferguson departure from Manchester United anya Manchester United that we used to know BM asay Arsenal so called the same situation after Arsene Wenger free ho Arsenal timi anya Arsenal say BM because Arsene Wenger time there's no way Arsenal bet me place 8th or 10th but Arsene Wenger call you know at a point in time Arsenal did 10th Arsenal did 8th Premier League ni mu it affect Arsenal until say Ateta eba ya waba be 10 normal around the same thing happened to team your friend Everton. David Moyes were Everton close to 8 years and at a point in time no team do move Champions League because after David Moyes flee Everton Everton is there and Everton and team compete on the highest level BM. It is a coach obetina team watch pano se wo kwa Kofi aya na wo jai sin to kese e de two team ni mo enti coach bi ababa bia no so wa anya careful one way that mentality that normal koso no ebetimi atoa so e de wunya Enzo Maresca ebe so Manchester City team ni mo no so Guardiola wa City ache after so call Emma Enzo Maresca be so mo no ade ba ko amanfo obusa ne say yes ebia ye hu City se ne hu omumle bi atwam no eya no kura minisa ankofo no agitum Kofi sa ade na ye hu City mle bi atwam no eye the fear factor no na wan na the fear factor na ba ne na no the fear factor na ba no eye coach na ye friend Guardiola no so when Manchester City kwakoba yes the team Manchester City will put fear in you but Kofi a certain Guardiola no odina bench no so fear no so be beto so eti Guardiola fear factor no na adwuma but Kofi na Guardiola ni ho eti se team bia Etihad Sports Stadium maybe the Manchester City fear factor no but the coaching factor which is the Guardiola factor no enya de wo biem eti team bi obekọ Etihad Sports Stadium bia obetry say obeyini ne hu bia Kofi obetimi anya no opedi free Etihad aba team bi obebo against Manchester City bia no obetry the possible means bia Kofi obetimi anya no ope e de free Manchester City ho because coach ne ko new coach na aba and so we pia no ma yade ata affect team bia coach atena for so many years no so kwa coach bi obeba bia no extra go with the team and Kofi so Manchester City team ye krom ya enye da Manchester City team omu show bia no mo lambast no mo show mo no there be entesa Manchester City team we no krani nyame anim ne e modern born wo form kakra so and playing against Bournemouth without Junior Klopp Kofi Manchester City for struggle but of the most important thing in the game na say obe win game na nya 3 points because beating Chelsea beating Arsenal beating United ni nyina be ma 3 points so say Bournemouth and also be ma another 3 points so the most important thing Enzo Maresca be pick every that game na say after all omunya win every free game no and Kofi ye game na ankasa Makasa this season ade ba ko be ha Manchester City team ne pa no defensive midfielder so Manchester City team na last season Manchester City team antimi an compete in Europe ye antimi anji premiership ni ye no antimi anji premiership ni nyina certain road we plan them ye nyina be testify say last season Rodri plan them edina nya dia Manchester City ball with Rodri no more ball without Rodri ya dey affecting Manchester City team ne pa ye etupa last season Yan check it Manchester City with Rodri and Manchester City without Rodri. Near the number of points Omuti me pick here. And it was a Manchester City with Rodri. I'm picking a lot of points than Manchester City without Rodri. Et you Timu say Rodri absence no e be affect Manchester City this season pan ye. So Rodri ko why na omokwa akwa na baba be hye nanan. Omokwa akwa fa Elliot Anderson e de na ba. Elliot Anderson Kofi, you and I know say Elliot Anderson and your proper DM. Elliot Anderson always there no here shot from a nipa one neighbor the double pivot 1 or pivot 2 always be no here shot from that person. And this how Elliot Anderson here power walk up always be no say idea Thomas Tuchel bona ayo bono ni Declan Rice be stay obema ni chidon webo ni chidon di amano. And this oh yeah Elliot Anderson say Kofi we need the best out of Elliot Anderson. So we Manchester City team now. Omo game omo boy wa FA competition against us now. Obo Matthew Kovacic and Elliot Anderson. Kofi Arsenal for your Musun slam passer. So at the end of the game, a lot of pundits, the connoisseurs of the game. Can say, Adia City yeah, no Enzo Maresca yeah no. And then modern football, Jimmy Yusu, Matthew Kovacic alongside Elliot Anderson. A recipe for disaster. And when you be found. What we uncle fight here be my. Sans for window name query yet. Yatete ope Manu Kone. Yatete ope Ayub Wande. Yatete ope Enzo Fernandez. But still, until you approach will be half an emaye. So we Enzo Maresca. And some amount for kicking after Arsenal game Diana Baye. Then Kofi Enzo Maresca decided say, Obebon the central defender Bako as ne pivot 1. And Tiago Amaguaye, no, partner Elliot Anderson, the midfield on him. And Ozan experiment be an amentias. But because of winning and the Kofi, Obekas are working perfection at the Amano. Advance your friend Nico O'Reilly, Kofi. You himself Blantiani your left back, and I know born as a number 10. Ever game anymore. So 2 experiments, Nema, Enzo Maresca, Oyusu, Maguaye, the center back, no, Emanebe ball, typical number 6. And Oyusu, Nico O'Reilly from left back, Emanebe ball number 10. And then no ball, Josco Vadio, the left back on them. Owini Yenjiko Fubeka, so send your Tibiano, I work in the Amano. But if it's all ball against the top teams in the pier. Now, this experiment, I want to be a bad in the amount. I did a bad in the amount, and I say, we know City say, Omi a team, hold that play, excellent. And in association football, so person control game now, as on your players, hold that play, good. Betting you holding on to the ball, I dictated the amount of opponent. That's why I love Rodri about the defensive midfield, Obebu 2 balls, or Mobi. Rodri Bobu 2 balls, so this already the Spanish national team at the World Cup. Will be the Spanish national team and the boy, yeah, no more possessive ball more than the Spanish national team. Rodri Mobo, or bet your ball, or bet drive with team, no, or bet control game the tempo, or baby be the amount. So Manchester City, and there's all with him no more. Why they bet me yes Adian? Kofi Maguire, a defender, born as a double as a holding midfielder, will be on Jimmy yes Adian. Obeba Babaya as a destroyer, on destroy the opponent and passes, but hold up play a bad day the Maguire so against a team like Chelsea. Now Kofi so more Moises Caicedo in midfield, or more Enzo Fernandez in midfield. Kofi, do you think say Anderson Elliott and Abrante friend Maguire to me have dominated this midfield? Kofi, young kind of clench Enzo Maresca. Yes, if you are playing against Arsenal, the likes of Bruno Gomes, the likes of Martin Odegaard and Declan Rice, Kofi, Omuntimi control in midfield. On the bunkamo so to Shamo. Tiadia, Enzo Maresca here and Emrano. Where we need here back Kofi. So twice to try this season now. Massa, or where you may papa. So twice to try this season now. Abrante no where you may winning against Bournemouth by 2-1. Kofi expected and a new news via but near can a door so eso here eso nya DM back you know be the team anymore. No typical number 10 eso baby. And yes, Kofi going forward Manchester City this season or more best struggle pan ye European. Madrid, Mami or Madrid, winning and Saturday no. Okay. Madrid winning Saturday by 2-1. On Saturday, me predict say I don't see Madrid beating Lambasten Espanyol. A game a bear now win either 1-0, 2-1, be the Abekwa the Amama and eventually.
You predicted 2-1.
Yeah, 2-1.
Last season they'll make a comparison for last.
Yeah, I said 2-1 there.
season.
Yeah, 2-1 there. Madrid beat me every day. And Gofi one, the Mourinho factor will work because this season Mourinho so up coach is a Gofi pressure war most upon year. Ebia pressure be war Carrick so pressure be war Alonso so pressure be war Enzo Maresca so pressure be war a lot of coaches so but Gofi coach in friend Jose Mourinho no pressure be war so pa. Niama pressure one so say ene Florentino Perez Gofi pressure one so pa. Niama pressure about Florentino Perez so I never put to sa pressure ni bi Ediama Jose Mourinho ne say wako 2 seasons without trophy. And you say be a league no you and I say be a Champions League no onye trophy be a gwata krontimenje ye. Etiano and the pressure about better man team them. And that pressure and go be omon setting almost say win the league. Win the Champions League and I say win a year Kings Cup for my. No more plan and say win the trophy. And almost say Mourinho here be that in 2010. After saying Omako 2 seasons without trophy, Omoko found from Inter, obey say Jumane de Momo, and Timoni no Bana Wabano, Waba with high hopes say Waba we need BB the Amomo, and go visit Baba we need BBA, then ebe put you pressure on you. And ya do a moment of time I'm about Baba Omo believe we say, so we need BB, so baby we need BB Kofi, as all started from now, cause near no way we know, and on the air build points now more we need BB or China. And Mourinho coming up against Espanyol, another Catalan team which I always be an omiti or man, or stubborn to Madrid. Because Catalonian team will bar, I am no more bar as a year, or more baba be defended a year Barcelona. It will no mushia, a year ding at the mouth. And one thing I could feel, yeah, or no son of coffee 1 year careful. Ebehano double pivot now no but above the Bernardo Silva. Coffee Bernardo Silva when you know. And the intensity now, or games like this, yeah, obey me. I'm here now where we every near call back of his uncle see Atletico Madrid for no more din midfielder Obeble Ukosia Barcelona for no butu bonus or more mobina Obeble because of Omanya rugby Omanya pedally and these two pen and I ball Spanish national team some combination a J Work up on Kofi, 2 committee over Black Pay, and then no man announce more presence. Our La Liga and Oma winning by 5-1, 5-0, and 2 year man that Kofi, pressure by Pali was also for team now year. Yes, say a building a team. Valverde and Abrante Ferno, a year Bernardo Silva Kofi, I see, said. Going forward, SWA be the first midfielder. Valverde a good player, but Valverde a player you know more offensive than defensively. And this all born alongside Bernardo Silva. Which Bernardo Silva, me I see him as more offensive than defensively. And one say Valverde a good tackler, why hard tackler, or boy near the about Kofi. Ya one conform you true and true defensive midfielders. So we jaw mokophobia or your offensive near more in the on the field of play. One year careful when you be on no do opponent in 18 years, no jab. Now the pressure Baba so the Emma Mourinho manage every knee by 2-1. The most important thing in association football is say game they get it tougher. You need to win. And Emma Adia Espanyol 4 year moms after say Omunya equalizer no almost started some low block. And go vi so low blocker and there a lot of pressure about 2 teams so. If say come try some become middle block no man percent and no more born na maybe in can score line bet me asesa but at the moment we decide some become with low blocks and go then start to say the pile pressure because of his all low blocks are a basa no defense no man a lot of numbers or midfield on seem to be bad or then attack crowd the can be a basa na always be an open energy ball now or they push you and then they did more Madrid team konya the second goal team Mourinho ayade o ma we come no e La Liga the first game after so many go vi me Madrid defense no dem trust you more than I will never trust them but go fi say we cast won't trust defense so ade ba ko na ese odwene o ma mu gina o manim no eno so na ese odwene o mo say we defense nya no ba be hwe the double pivot no mu gina o manim no say double pivot go fi say o mu nya good and I say defensive no mu nya good a best posi a year defense no big time.
It was Konate and
Hodgson, Dean Hodgson. Kofi me say so DMs ni nya good there be a best posi a year defense no and mother say my and am initially na make say me ma the double pivot ni nya pivot I see say on betimi ama the back four the needed shot e boss na Kofi expose a year back four no e be expose you more big time obi abetimi awlom iti Madrid do adwuma ye transfer window ne nkwawie iti me after the game no na me busa say the na ba ya Madrid o man go for Rodri na mo ye enrehan e ma e ye Barcelona no already they have Gavi Pedri mu nyina ho ekofa eye Rodri de be change team no still Madrid like that kind of player Kamavinga ade a wa show say onye player betimi rely on so throughout the season Tuamani Kofi Makacho say oye player ono no ne tackle krampo no ye suspect ni defensively or ye suspect but one thing you trust Abrante friend Tuamani passing or a good passer of the ball only ball ne pass pa and the deficiency back when say ne pass ne the final third of the opponent and also any problem back it is all one e dispose agovi on to me solve that problem ne fa ma it in one obet me aba yes adwuma ne dia ma mete say omoko Ayub Buandi ho Manchester City low player na Man City so any dinachi but still obi antimi make official bid bi ankofa player ne maaye it ye maybe a man be call for another DM the ababa be kan at a point in time na Zubimendi so na report Bobasa Madrid they need the nti ye say be a man be call for another DM ababa be ketim nya sa pan dia govi sa team we there Madrid dey share Barcelona Madrid ebedin senseme pa Madrid bedin senseme eso omo apu omo game no o sisi team no your pay DMs dey be ketim anymore the Madrid dey need problem anymore them there cause say wo Kylian Mbappe, or Jude Bellingham, or Avanti, your friend Vinicius Junior, Yandy Amondi Muni now on Margovi. In terms of creativity, I found you won't have problem. But problem I'll be yan say, Ebi a weekly teacher, nature of François Fiumo to Jigum Mount. Sa never quack Sinti, Molino where Juma ye park was a transfer window and Bequari and yes, Asamaba.
Saturday, no, can see small way of as the 3D no players nakasano can see says
determination or yes sir
they want to do something
sir one thing about Mourinho and say or the athletes in the be show more determination discipline and a dedication or the be show mo say fire adwuma dey e ma no but Kofi to kwabu so na akwa abewa 3Ds ba akwa enko okwa enko ba eso mo show go well me hwe Barcelona team na against Elche Kofi away game and once the Barcelona team from last season, you know, no go so. I did affect Barcelona last season. They say, or shall be Shenibi. Last season now, Barcelona share 5 footballs or match 1 and 2 be. The last season, Bongo Beka say Barcelona both game above team to score a likely to come. Because Barcelona share ye be Shenibi. But this season, the first game, Untimin Kase be a quiet but to start about 5 ayansha no. Meaning say that problem no mu facing the last season no o ma ye ho adwuma Hansi Flick ye ho adwuma ade ba kwa bia mado betimi adam munyame asene se La Liga no govi enye number of goals head to head into obi betimi a 30 ubi tin head to head okwo anim chen no because I'm assuming say both teams ni nyina no obi abe win in the home match like omo meetings no obi abe win in there. But at the end of it, head to head. And the head to head, the least number of goals be considered against the opponent. And no, any bit me about. This year, a classical near time, November and December. Someday there be a new November and December.
Classical.
No, they say November, na a December. No, more the aqua show. Because Omope baby, a bit me abwa a your man casemu. The classical no go fi afi La Liga no a classical like a bit take shape kakra aya na a bit take shape because of Mourinho factor no okay yeah Mourinho factor nti
I know you feel the enthusiasm
a bit pejanti no amount for a watch out a classical no a man for any idiot actually pa you better how Mourinho factor yes 25th October 25th October. Go for you so the one more time here. 4 p.m. We are giddy. 25th October na omobebo classical. Ntienche our corner hand say anti ovi let's wait for the classical.
Right, 95.5 FM Suni Elsia kakra wa manone no ye be fie ababehwe transfer window no so close to fie House of Folk and so invitational tournament now positive for ababa take trophy no e dey call so draw blast and House of Folk and positive I the champions of that competition. Now, I think the Mike will be and so the day are you podcast and so no one your Monsembe brain.
Yeah, Gofi. Aquano Nyefi president no be play. Nyefi president Akunya no be play. Me na semba kwa kana mo say coach aye fe no Otuado kwa na long overdue na some sa Canada da.